When considering Webflow for hosting your website, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a commitment. While Webflow offers some great features, there are also factors that may make you reconsider, especially when comparing it to other hosting providers. Here are 12 things you need to know before you hit that buy button. First thing, Webflow offers both hosting and website building tools in one package. This is great because you don't need to juggle multiple platforms. With Webflow, you can design, host, and manage your website all in one place. However, it's worth noting that many competitors, like WordPress with separate hosting services, offer more flexibility, especially if you're familiar with managing different platforms. Next thing, pricing. Webflow's pricing is often seen as premium, especially for smaller websites. While its free tier lets you design, you'll need to upgrade to start using a custom domain and unlock other features. Competitors like WordPress or Squarespace might offer more affordable options, especially for smaller projects or individuals just getting started. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Webflow's interface is more complex compared to some of the other website builders out there. If you're not already familiar with web design, it might take a bit of a learning curve. Platforms like Wix and Squarespace focus heavily on user friendliness, making them ideal for beginners. Next thing, performance and speed. Webflow is known for delivering fast and reliable hosting, which is essential for both user experience and SEO rankings. However, other competitors like SiteGround or Bluehost may offer comparable speeds, especially with their optimized servers. The fifth thing is SEO capabilities. Webflow provides solid SEO options, allowing you to optimize everything from meta tags to alt text for images. Many people find it easy to integrate SEO best practices directly within the platform. That said, other hosting services, such as WordPress with plugins like Yoast, might provide even more control over SEO optimizations. Next thing, security. Webflow comes with built-in SSL certificates, meaning your site will be encrypted and safe for visitors. While this is a standard feature, other hosts like Bluehost or SiteGround might provide additional layers of security and more frequent updates or backups as part of their service. The seventh thing, customizability. Webflow shines when it comes to design flexibility. You have full control over how your site looks and behaves, but this requires a solid understanding of web design principles. For more templated designs, competitors like Squarespace may offer an easier, though less flexible option for quick and beautiful websites. Next thing, customer support. Webflow offers support through help centers and community forums, but its live chat support is limited unless you're on a higher tier plan. On the other hand, platforms like Wix and Squarespace provide more immediate 24/7 customer support, which can be crucial if you're running into technical issues. The ninth thing, e-commerce functionality. If you're looking to build an online store, Webflow offers solid e-commerce features, but it's more focused on designers who want total control over their store's design. If you want an easier to manage e-commerce platform, Shopify or even Squarespace might be better, especially for beginners. Next thing, integrations. Webflow allows you to integrate with several third-party tools like Zapier, Google Analytics, and more. However, if you need extensive integrations or specific marketing tools, competitors like WordPress, with its thousands of plugins, might be better suited for your needs. The 11th thing, mobile responsiveness. Webflow is highly responsive, meaning your site will look good on all devices. This is a plus since mobile traffic makes up a large chunk of users today. That being said, other platforms like Wix or Squarespace offer pre-designed mobile responsive templates, making it easier for beginners to get a polished look right away. The last thing, scalability. As your website grows, Webflow allows you to easily scale, but once you get into larger websites with